Hi there, I'm Stella. Welcome to my yarn universe. My world revolves around yarn, and so I create crochet patterns, video tutorials, and DIY kits. I also love knitting, especially personalized gifts that make people smile. I feel inspired by Mother Nature, by our world's different cultures, the wonderfully diverse city of London that I'm lucky to live in, and other amazing places in this beautiful country. It's just such a joy bringing ideas to life. From making a sketch, to picking the right yarn, and through trial and error, exactly creating what you had in mind. The best part about it though, is sharing these creations with you. I started Stella's Yarn Universe to inspire you to create and forget your daily worries for a bit. I believe being happy means doing what you love as often as possible. It truly impacts your life. And so my aim is to encourage you to have more fun, be more playful, and tap into your creative side. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new crochet tutorials. And don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Just comment on one of my videos and I get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating!